of great deals going on at CVS, and we got some really good CRTs. I got a $3 off 12 laundry CRT. I got some Haircare CRTs and more. There's some hot paper product deals this week, some shampoo. We got some freebies for deodorant, so stay tuned for that. I'll go over everything with you guys on how you can take advantage of these deals and what coupons you'll be needing to do so. Most of these are going to be digital coupons, so most of these deals anyone can do, even if you're new to couponing. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner so you don't miss any of the deals from CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, and Family Dollar each week. So there's quite a few of in-store video that I did for these different deals. There's a few additional deals at the end that I'm gonna go over, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So let's check out the in-store videos for the different items this week.
Okay, Rimmel this week is on sale. Spend $12, get an $8 extra buck. So I am going to pick up this week one of these mascaras at $6.99. I'm gonna get Extreme Black. Then I'm gonna pick up one of these, the value pack. These are the only ones I have left, and they are $4.99. So I'm gonna pick up one of these together. That is going to be $11.98. I'm gonna use two of these $2 off one coupons. I ordered more from, I believe it was the couponmarketplace.com. I don't know if they still have some, but if you guys want to do this deal, you can always check it out. I usually wind up getting my coupons in about 2 days. So I'm gonna use two of these. That'll take off $4. I also had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT that printed today. That'll take off another $3. So final cost on this is going to be, let's see, $11.98. I can't do the math right now, but they'll be in the description box shortly. It's on sale for $10.49, so right there, a ton of savings. And it's spend $20, get $5 in extra bucks. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick up two of these. And 18 rolls is also included, but they're out. So I'm just gonna get two of the 9 equals 36 count mega rolls. In today's Smart Source, there is a $1 off 1 coupon. I also had two $2 off 8 toilet paper coupons. We can use these because the total is $20. So 2 off of 8 and 2 off of 8, that's 16, and we're spending $20, so that would be fine. So it's gonna make it for a really hot deal. I also have a 3 off of 10 CRT that I'm gonna pair with this to make it a really hot deal on some paper products. Sure deodorant is on sale for $2. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck, makes it a freebie. It is a limit of 1, so make sure you guys pick this up. Tresemmé is on sale. Buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. They're also buy one, get one half off. So the best deal I came up with, I'm gonna pick up 4 of these. I'm gonna use 2 of these $5 off 2 paper coupons from last week's inserts. Then I have a $2.25 off 10 CRT for Tresemmé, or I have a 3 off 12. So I might be using the 3 off 12 for another deal. If not, I'll pair that. If you guys join Fetch Rewards, this is a bonus item on Fetch Rewards. You will get 1,250 points back, which is the equivalent of $1.25. If you use my code here listed, you guys will get an additional 2,700 points just for signing up. So that'll be an additional $2.70 back. That'll make this an amazing moneymaker because we're getting $5 extra bucks back as well. All the finals will be in the printable breakdown listed in the description box. What I'm gonna grab is this Head and Shoulders. I'm going to get the men's 2-in-1. I do have someone who likes to purchase these from me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these. I have another CRT again. It is $4 off of 14. And these only come to 12, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go to the travel section and pick up a Head and Shoulders mask. That's $2.99. That way my total for Head and Shoulders would be $15, so I can use that CRT. It's gonna make for a really, really hot deal. So let's continue and pick up more items for the cash card deal. Online, they had some cute little like masks, like hair masks, but I'm not seeing them in stores. I'm gonna have to pick up one of these little baby Head and Shoulders. They are $2.99. I have to pick up one more item, some Tide laundry detergent. Okay, the last item we're gonna pick up is gonna be one of these Tide liquids. They are included in the cash card deal. They're on sale, $5.94. We do have a $2 digital. So final cost for everything is gonna wind up being about, I believe, $5.73 for 8 items, which is gonna be awesome. So make sure you guys check that out in the final breakdown. Eucerin this week is on sale. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So you can do Eucerin, Nivea, or Aquaphor. I'm gonna pick up one, where'd it go? This one. This guy at $11.79, and one of these at $9.29. Total is gonna be $21.08. I have a $1.50 off 6 Eucerin or Aquaphor lotion CRT. Then I'm gonna use 2 of these $3 off 1 coupons that you can print online from Eucerin.com. Or if you guys haven't shared the coupon yet, you can get up to $3.50 each. So that'll save you an extra $1. Once I combine everything, final cost is going to be just $1.79 each, which is a really, really hot deal after you're rolling those extra care bucks. So make sure you guys take advantage of this deal if you need some lotion.
Okay, so for my cash card deal, the one that I did, just to clarify for you guys, there is going to be a printable breakdown as well in the description box. So you guys can click that Google document, you can print it out and take it into the store with you guys to make it as easy for you guys as possible to take advantage of these savings. So for the cash card deal, what I did is I bought 1 of the Tide liquid for $5.94, 3 of the Pantene for $12, 2 of the Head & Shoulders for $2. Then I picked up 1 of these little travel size because of the CRT that I had. It was $4 off of 14 Head & Shoulders, and the 2 big ones were only $12, so I had to add a travel size to make sure that I met that CRT because it wound up helping me more than adding to the total. So that's why I went ahead and added this. Then I picked up, oh, that's it. So total on those came to about $33 and some change. The CRTs that I used a 4 off 14 for the Head & Shoulders. I used a 3 off 12 shampoo CRT for the Pantene. Then I used a $2 off digital coupon for the Tide liquid. I used a $5 off 3 digital coupon for the Pantene. And then I used a $3 off 2 digital manufacturer coupon for the Head & Shoulders. So total you're going to pay is $15.93. You can pay with extra bucks if you want. You're gonna get back that $10 cash card. Final cost is $5.93 for 7 items, or just 84 cents per item, which is a super, super hot deal. To get Tide for under $1 is amazing. So the other bonus deal I wanted to go over with you guys is the CVS Pads brand pads, liners, and tampons. So if you guys are a CarePass member, I'm a CarePass member, check in the description box for a little bit about it. In essence, what you do is you sign up, you can get your prescriptions delivered to your house for free. You can order online, get it delivered for free. You get 20% off any CVS brand item as well. And you get an extra $10 in extra bucks every month, and it only costs you $5. So not a bad deal there. I am a CarePass member. I didn't do this deal because I didn't have the CRT, but I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you did. So you're gonna pick up 2 of the CVS brand liners. They are buy one, get one half off this week. So one of them is $1.94, or they're gonna total, $1.94. One is $1.29 and one is 65 cents. You're gonna use a $2 off 2 pads, tampons, and liners CRT if you have it. You're gonna get 20% off of the deal because you're a CarePass member. So it's gonna take off an additional 38 cents. So you're gonna pay $0. Final cost is absolutely free. Nothing out of pocket, no extra bucks needed, just a really great freebie. So if you guys do have that CRT, make sure you take advantage of that deal, really hot deal on that. For the Tresemmé deal as well, I just wanted to go over that one again for you guys. I'm gonna wind up picking up 4 of those larger bottles of Tresemmé. They are buy one, get one half off this week. Buy 3, get a $5 extra back. So I'm gonna use 2 of those $5 off 2 coupons. Then I'm gonna use a $3 off 12 Haircare CRT. That's gonna bring the cost out of pocket down more than the other Tresemmé CRT that I have. So I'm gonna pay only $2.87 out of pocket for 4 big bottles of Tresemmé. And I'm gonna get back a $5 extra back. So right there makes it a nice moneymaker, $2.13. So the additional thing you wanna do is sign up on Fetch Rewards. It's an app that you put on your phone. My link and code is right here at the bottom of the screen. If you're new to Fetch and you use that referral code, you'll get an additional 2,700 points, which is the equivalent of $2.70. When you submit, this is one of the bonus items for Tresemmé, you're gonna get an additional 1,250 points. So right there from this one deal, you're gonna get about $3, $4 back. So this will wind up being about a $6 moneymaker for you guys. Now with Fetch Rewards, you can cash out at just 3,000 points, which is $3, and you can get yourself a digital gift card to Walmart and a bunch of different stores that you guys can use. So I highly recommend that. If you guys have any questions or anything on my haul, make sure you guys drop a comment. I did do this in 3 separate transactions so I can roll over the extra bucks to help keep the costs out of pocket as low as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.